Hello everyone, today we have iPhone 12 Pro. Customer asking for a battery replacement, and after we heat it up with a little bit, so now after we removed the tape underneath the battery, we'll put the new battery. It has already tape here, so no need to install anything. We'll test the battery now. Battery and screen is good. So we'll remove the screen and we will apply sealed for waterproof for the phone, and then we will call the customer to pick up his phone. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to put like and subscribe in this channel, and share this video with anyone who need Apple iPhone battery replacement. Thank you so much. Bye.